Welcome back to our channel Profit Product Pro, where we bring you the hottest trending products and winning ideas for online success. If you are looking to discover high demand products and boost your profits, you're in the right place. Today's video topic is Alibaba Verified Luxury Food Serving Trolley Cart with Wheels. Let's dive into today's exciting product that can take your business to the next level. Product 1. 3-tier metal storage rolling trolley cart. Product details. Looking for a simple way to organize your space without sacrificing style? Meet the 3-tier metal storage rolling trolley cart, featuring a durable metal frame, 3 spacious storage shelves, and 4 smooth rolling wheels. This versatile cart goes wherever you need it. Use it in your kitchen, bathroom, office, craft room, or laundry area to keep essentials organized and within reach. Its compact design fits perfectly in small spaces while providing plenty of storage. Click the link below and discover why this mobile storage cart is becoming a must-have organizational solution for every home. Product 2. Multifunction 3-tier folding rolling storage cart. Product details. Need a smarter way to organize your home? Meet the 3-tier folding rolling storage cart, the versatile storage solution designed for modern living. Its spacious shelves help organize kitchen essentials, snacks, office supplies, beauty products, and much more. The smooth rolling wheels make moving it effortless from room to room, while the foldable design saves valuable space when not in use. Whether you're organizing, serving, or storing, this multifunction trolley does it all. Click the link below and discover an easier way to keep your space neat, organized, and clutter-free. Product 3. Commercial heavy-duty 3-layer stainless steel food service trolley cart. Product details. Looking for a smarter way to move food and supplies in busy commercial environments? This heavy-duty 3-layer food service trolley is built from durable 201 stainless steel and designed to handle demanding daily operations. With 3 spacious shelves and 4 smooth rolling wheels, it makes transporting dishes, ingredients, and equipment fast and effortless. Perfect for it. Enjoying this luxury serving trolley so far? Hit the like button to support the channel. Restaurants, hotels, catering services, cafeterias, and hospitals. This trolley helps improve efficiency while keeping your workspace organized. Check out the product link below and upgrade your food service workflow today. Product 4. Duty Large Size 3-tier Utility Storage Cart. Product details. Need a smarter way to move supplies, food, or equipment? Check out this heavy-duty 3-tier utility storage cart from Alibaba. Its large capacity shelves provide plenty of room for transporting items, while the sturdy construction is built to handle demanding daily use. The smooth rolling wheels make moving heavy loads easy in restaurants, offices, warehouses, kitchens, and more. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and space-saving transport solution, this utility cart is definitely worth a look. Click the link and discover how it can simplify your workflow today. Product 5. Ulima Black 3-tier service cart. Product details. Need a smarter way to move supplies, food, and equipment? Meet the Ulima Black 3-tier service cart. Built with a heavy-duty design and 3 spacious shelves, this utility trolley helps restaurants, hotels, kitchens, and catering businesses stay organized and efficient. Its smooth rolling wheels make transportation effortless, even during busy hours. From serving guests to moving kitchen essentials, this cart is designed to handle demanding daily use. If you're looking for durability, convenience, and professional performance, the Ulima service cart is a practical upgrade worth considering. Product 6. HXA001 Multi-purpose 3-story trolley cart. Product details. Looking for a smarter way to move, organize, and store your essentials? Meet the HXA001 Multi-purpose 3-tier trolley cart, a versatile storage and service solution designed for homes, restaurants, offices, and more. Its spacious 3-level design provides plenty of room for supplies, food, tools, or household items, while the silent wheels glide smoothly for effortless mobility. Strong, durable, and easy to maneuver, this cart helps keep everything. If you love discovering profitable Alibaba products, make sure to subscribe for more. Organized and within reach. If convenience and efficiency matter to you, the HXA001 trolley cart is definitely worth checking out. Find the product link in the description below. Product 7. Heavy-duty 3-tier rolling kitchen cart. Product details. Looking for a smart storage solution that fits almost anywhere? Check out this 3-tier rolling kitchen cart featuring a stylish, rustic brown finish and a sturdy heavy-duty frame. With 3 spacious shelves and 6 handy hooks, it's perfect for organizing kitchen essentials, coffee supplies, snacks, drinks, and more. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move from room to room, while the lockable design keeps it securely in place when needed. Whether you're creating a coffee station, mobile bar, or extra kitchen storage, this versatile cart helps you stay organized without taking up valuable space. Check the link below to learn more. Product 8. AF08176 Hotel Trolley Cart. Product details: running a hotel, resort, or commercial facility, meet the AF08176 Hotel Trolley Cart, designed to make housekeeping faster, easier, and more organized. With spacious storage compartments, durable commercial-grade construction, and smooth rolling wheels, this cart helps staff transport linens, cleaning supplies, and essentials with ease. Perfect for hotels, hospitals, offices, and professional cleaning services. It keeps everything within reach while improving daily workflow and productivity. Click the link below to learn more about the AF08176 Hotel Trolley Cart and see why professionals trust it for efficient facility management. Product 9. Multi-purpose 3-tier plastic trolley cart. Product details: looking for a smarter way to move meals, dishes, and supplies? This multi-purpose 3-tier utility trolley cart is built for busy restaurants, hotels, cafeterias, and catering services. With 3 spacious, which feature do you like most? The stylish design or the smooth mobility? Let us know in the comments. Shelves and a heavy-duty thickened plastic design. It easily handles everything from meal delivery and dish collection to kitchen organization. The smooth rolling wheels make transportation effortless, even during peak hours. Durable, easy to clean, and designed for commercial performance, this trolley helps improve efficiency while reducing staff workload. Click the link below to learn more about this versatile utility cart today. Product 10. Modern 3-tier gold serving cart. Product details: looking for a stylish way to serve guests and organize your space? Check out this modern 3-tier gold serving cart featuring a premium stainless steel gold frame and 3 spacious shelves. It's perfect for drinks, snacks, desserts, or decorative displays. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move from room to room, while the elegant design instantly upgrades any home, restaurant, hotel, or event space. Whether you are hosting a party or creating a luxury coffee station, this versatile serving cart combines beauty, durability, and convenience in one stunning package. Check it out through the link below. Product 11. Double layer wood beverage cart. Product details: looking for a stylish and practical way to serve drinks and refreshments? Meet the double layer wood beverage cart, the perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Its spacious 2-tier design provides plenty of room for beverages, snacks, tea sets, and serving essentials, while smooth rolling wheels make moving from room to room effortless, perfect for homes, hotels, restaurants, cafes, and commercial spaces. Your support helps us bring you more trending products every week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This versatile trolley helps you stay organized while adding a premium touch to any environment. Click the link below to learn more about this modern mobile serving solution. Product 12. 3-layer mobile kitchen food trolley cart. Product details: looking for a smarter way to organize and serve in style? Introducing the 3-layer mobile kitchen food trolley cart featuring a beautiful wood grain finish and spacious 3-tier storage. This versatile cart is perfect for kitchens, coffee stations, dining rooms, and more. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move wherever you need extra storage or serving space. Keep snacks, drinks, fruits, and everyday essentials neatly organized while adding a modern touch to your home. Click the link below and discover why this practical trolley cart is becoming a favorite for stylish organization. Product 13. Luxury wooden flambe trolley. Product details: bring luxury dining directly to your guests with this premium flambe food serving trolley, featuring a built-in gas stove, elegant wooden design, durable stainless steel construction, and 3 convenient storage drawers. It's the perfect solution for tableside cooking and unforgettable food presentations. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move anywhere in your restaurant or hotel. Ideal for fine dining, resorts, banquets, and VIP service, this trolley combines style, convenience, and professional performance. Discover how elevated service can transform the dining experience. Product 14. Premium stainless steel dining cart. Product details: Looking for a smarter way to improve food service efficiency? Check out this new stainless steel dining cart built for restaurants, hotels, cafeterias, and catering businesses. Its durable stainless steel construction and smooth four-wheel design make transporting meals, dishes, and supplies fast and effortless. The multifunctional layout helps streamline daily operations, while customizable style options let you choose the perfect fit for your business, whether you're serving guests in a hotel or managing a busy restaurant. This professional grade service trolley is designed to keep your team moving efficiently. Click the link below to learn more. Product 15. Wood Top Double Tier Rolling Cart. Product details. Looking for a smarter way to organize and serve? Meet the Wood Top Double Tier Rolling Cart. Featuring a beautiful wood top, spacious double tier storage, and smooth rolling wheels, this versatile cart is perfect for kitchens, coffee stations, dining areas, and home offices. Move your essentials wherever you need them while keeping your space neat and stylish. Durable, compact, and designed for everyday convenience. It's the perfect blend of function and modern design. Click the link below to discover how this rolling cart can upgrade your space today. Product 16. Cute Child Metal Storage Trolley Cart. Product details. Looking for a smart and fun way to organize your space? Meet the Cute Child Metal Storage Trolley Cart with wheels. Designed for busy families, this versatile cart helps keep toys, books. Would you use this serving trolley at home, in a restaurant, or in a hotel? Share your answer in the comments. Art, supplies, snacks, and everyday essentials neatly organized and easy to access. Its durable metal construction provides lasting strength, while the smooth rolling wheels let you move it effortlessly wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for bedrooms, playrooms, kitchens, classrooms, and more. Stylish, practical, and incredibly convenient, this movable trolley cart is the organization solution every home needs. Check out the link below to learn more. Product 17. Stainless Steel Round Room Food Serving Kitchen Trolley. Product details. Elevate your food service with the Stainless Steel Round Room Food Serving Kitchen Trolley. Built from durable stainless steel, this elegant serving cart combines professional style with everyday functionality. Its spacious round shelves provide plenty of room for meals, beverages, and serving essentials, while smooth rolling wheels make transportation effortless. Perfect for hotels, restaurants, catering businesses, and banquet events. This trolley helps staff serve guests faster and more efficiently. Bring convenience, durability, and a premium hospitality experience to every service with this professional food serving trolley. Product 18. Modern Design Serving Trolley. Product details. Looking for a smarter way to serve and transport food, drinks, and kitchen essentials? Introducing the Modern Design Serving Trolley with wheels. Built with premium quality materials and a sleek modern design, this trolley makes moving items fast, easy, and efficient. The smooth rolling wheels provide effortless mobility, while the sturdy construction ensures reliable performance every day. Perfect for homes, restaurants, hotels, and catering services. It's the practical solution that helps you save time and improve service. Upgrade your workflow and work smarter with this stylish serving trolley today. Product 19. Mobile Foldable Food Serving Cart Trolley. Product details. Looking for a smarter way to serve food and transport dining essentials? Meet the Mobile Foldable Food Serving Cart Trolley. This stylish rolling cart features a space-saving, foldable design, smooth-moving wheels, and durable construction built for everyday use. Perfect for hotels, restaurants, catering services, and even modern homes. It helps move food, drinks, and supplies with ease. When the job is done, simply fold it away for convenient storage. Functional, elegant, and easy to use, this serving trolley is designed to make every meal service more efficient. Check the link below to learn more. Product 20. Premium 2-tier Wooden Food Trolley Cart. Product details. Elevate your hospitality service with this luxury 2-tier wooden food trolley cart, designed for hotels, restaurants, and premium room service. Crafted with a stylish wooden finish, it delivers both elegance and durability for everyday commercial use. Its smooth rolling wheels make transportation effortless, while the spacious dual-tier design allows you to serve food, tea, desserts, or beverages in a highly organized and professional way. Whether you are running a luxury hotel or a busy restaurant, this trolley enhances efficiency, improves service speed, and leaves a lasting impression on your guests. Upgrade your service experience today with this modern, elegant, and highly functional wooden food trolley cart. Product 21. 2-tier Stainless Steel Service Trolley. Product details. Introducing the ultimate solution for fast, organized, and efficient service. The two-tier stainless steel kitchen service trolley. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel, this cart is designed to handle the toughest commercial kitchen demands while maintaining a sleek, modern look. With two spacious shelves, you can easily subscribe now and stay updated with the latest Alibaba verified products and business ideas. Transport food, dishes, or supplies in one smooth trip. The 360-degree swivel wheels make movement effortless even in tight restaurant spaces. Strong, durable, and easy to clean, this trolley is perfect for restaurants, hotels, catering services, and even home kitchens. Upgrade your workflow and move smarter, not harder, with this professional-grade utility trolley. Product 22. Elegant golden metal kitchen dining service trolley. Product details. Bring luxury and convenience together with this stunning golden metal kitchen dining service trolley. Designed with a premium mirror finish and elegant gold frame, it adds a true hotel-style touch to any home, restaurant, or event space. Smooth rolling wheels make serving effortless, while its multi-layer design gives you plenty of space for drinks, snacks, and accessories. Whether you are hosting guests, serving tea and coffee, or elevating your dining presentation, this luxury trolley turns every moment into a 5-star experience. Stylish, durable, and practical. This is the perfect upgrade for modern hospitality. Product 23. Gold metal luxury industrial cart. Product details. Transform your space with the gold metal luxury industrial bar cart, where elegance meets function. Designed with a premium gold finish and a sturdy industrial frame, this bar cart brings a touch of luxury to any home, hotel, or event space. Its smooth rolling wheels make serving drinks effortless, while the multi-tier shelves give you perfect storage for wine, glassware, and essentials. Locking casters keep it stable when you need it most. Whether you're hosting guests or upgrading your kitchen or bar area, this mobile serving trolley delivers style, convenience, and durability in one stunning design. Upgrade your space today with modern luxury on wheels. Product 24. Hot Town customizable stainless steel outdoor camping cart. Product details. Meet the Hot Town customizable stainless steel outdoor camping cart. Built for people who need strength, space, and smart mobility all in one. Made with heavy-duty stainless steel and a durable mesh platform, this cart is designed to handle tough outdoor and industrial use with ease. Whether you're camping, shopping, working in a warehouse, or managing storage, it moves smoothly. If this product impressed you, give this video a quick like and help others discover it too. And carries heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Its foldable design makes storage simple, while high-quality wheels ensure easy movement across different surfaces. And with full OEM customization available, it's perfect for both personal and business use. Hot Town, built to carry more, so you can do more. Product 25. Solid wood dining cart, mobile hand cart. Product details. Upgrade your space with this premium solid wood dining cart, designed for both style and functionality. Crafted from high-quality solid wood, it offers a durable and elegant solution for serving, storage, and organization. With smooth rolling wheels, you can easily move it from the kitchen to the dining room, bedroom, or even hotel suites. Its multi-layer design provides plenty of space for drinks, snacks, dishes, or essentials, keeping everything neat and accessible. Perfect for homes, villas, restaurants, and commercial spaces, this versatile cart adds a touch of luxury to any setting while making everyday service effortless and efficient. Bring convenience and elegance together with this must-have mobile storage solution. Product 26. Xingpai Luxury Serving Trolley. Product details. Step into luxury service with the Xingpai Gold and Silver Glass Serving Trolley, where elegance meets functionality. Designed with a premium metal frame and refined glass shells, this stunning bar cart we read every comment. Tell us which product you'd like to see featured next. Instantly elevates any space, from upscale hotels to weddings and fine dining events. Its smooth rolling wheels allow effortless movement, while the sturdy build ensures reliable support for drinks, tea, wine, and catering service. Whether you're hosting guests or running a professional venue, this trolley delivers style, convenience, and performance in one elegant design. Make every serving moment look premium, modern, and unforgettable with Xingpai i. Product 27. Modern solid wood trolley. Product details. Bring elegance and efficiency to every service with the modern solid wood double-layer serving trolley. Designed for hotels, restaurants, and catering professionals, this stylish cart combines durability with luxury. Its premium solid wood construction ensures long-lasting strength, while smooth rolling wheels make transportation effortless. The double-layer design provides ample space for beverages, desserts, tea, or full meal service. Whether you're serving guests in a fine dining restaurant or hosting a special event, this trolley adds a refined professional touch. Upgrade your hospitality service and deliver with style, convenience, and confidence. Product 28. European Style Serving Cart. Product details. Bring timeless elegance into your home or business with the Schenk de Bourget European Solid Wood Serving Cart. Crafted from premium solid wood and finished in a refined ivory white with luxurious gold accents, this vintage-inspired trolley is designed to impress. Whether you're serving tea, drinks, or desserts, it adds a touch of sophistication to every occasion. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move from kitchen to dining room, hotel suite, or event space with effortless style. Perfect for luxury homes, weddings, restaurants, and upscale gatherings. This isn't just a serving cart, it's a statement of class and elegance. Upgrade your hosting experience today with timeless European charm. Product 29. Movable Stainless Steel Dining Cart. Product details. Step into a world of modern luxury and effortless serving. Introducing the Luxury Stainless Steel Dining Cart. Designed for upscale homes, elegant villas, and premium hospitality spaces. Built with a sleek stainless steel frame and a polished mirror finish, this serving trolley brings sophistication to every setting. Its smooth rolling wheels allow you to move it with ease. Whether you're serving guests in a hotel suite, a fine dining restaurant, or your own luxury dining room. With multiple spacious tiers, you can beautifully present drinks, meals, or desserts while keeping everything perfectly organized and within reach. Strong, stylish, and easy to clean. This is more than a dining cart. It's a statement of class and convenience. Upgrade your serving experience today with timeless elegance on wheels. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing product ideas. See you in the next video. Stay connected with Profit Product Pro.